Good day, YouTube. This is J Money with Falling Forward Financial. Just a new video here on Aquestive Therapeutics. I had a comment on my Green Lane video, and Stock Raider 2 days ago said, "Can you do a vid on AQST? Huge upcoming FDA." And they got a lot of things going on for them. Got a bunch of analyst upgrades. Just beat earnings too. So I thank you, Stock Trader, for that comment on my Green Lane video. But back to Aquestive. I think that's how you say it. That's how I'm going to say it. Aquestive Therapeutics. Ticker AQST. Here's what it's done in the last year. So it's been kind of up and down all over the place. Last 3 months is wow, up over 55%. In the last month, damn, up over 50%. Not a great last week, down 1.95%. But if you got in somewhere in here, you're still doing fine. And here's a look at what it's done today. So, but if you don't know what this one is, they engage in the identifying and developing and commercializing differentiated products to address unmet medical needs and to solve patients' therapeutic problems. Its product pipeline include Libervant, AQST, so on. The company was founded in 2004, headquartered in Warren, New Jersey. The listed name AQST for Aquestive Therapeutics. Usually these type of stocks, I stay away from them, but again, I thank you for your comment. This one does look kind of interesting to me, and you'll find out as we go here in the video. Not a whole lot of volume on this one. I mean, the average is just at 652. The volume is at 451. Again, a small market cap, 241.79 million. But if this one were to take off, you could make a fortune on this one. So that's my thoughts on it anyway. So here is a look at their last earnings. So estimated at minus 45 cents, and they hit minus 37. And no other information on this one. Moving on here, even Bing shows this one as a buy. 1 year price target, $15.40, and the EPS estimate is minus 1.58. So very interesting. Again, I thank you for that comment. I'm interested in this one now. I might pull the trigger on this one. Here's their Q3 2021 earnings transcript here on the Motley Fool. So just going to scroll through this information. This was on the November 3rd. Some of the remarks. And just going to scroll through this for those of you that would like to pause and go over this information. Otherwise, you can find this on MSN Money. Let's see if there's any juicy details in here. Just talks about the 10K filing. And of course, got to throw that in there. Throw that in the trash. It's over that long time ago. I'm sure everybody else out there feels the same. Here's kind of some of the Libervant continues to progress through a review process with the FDA, and we had exciting results for AQST 109. We appear that they have solved the last remaining hurdle. Absorption speed and Tmax compared. Auto-injectors like EpiPen. So that could be a huge thing. The current standard of care of the patient population. Additionally, our ongoing business continues to be strong. Let's see if we can find any other details in here. So, FDA regarding the NDA Libervant that resubmitted in June continue to have multiple Actions with the FDA as they completed the mid-cycle review on their application in late September. So again, that's why I kind of stay away from some of these. The only real pharmaceutical that I'm in is in Pfizer. And it's just because they have a decent dividend. The stock really doesn't even move all that much, but you can get into one like this, and as I will show you the ratings here as we go, you could make a fortune with this one if it took off, or any of them. I'm not going to say this one's going to take off, but again, I don't give tax, legal, or trading advice, but Libervant would be the first orally delivered diazepam product for the management of seizure clusters. The patient population remains underserved, with the more patients over the last 12 months across all age groups continuing to utilize the diazepam gel product versus the diazepam nasal products, despite good payer coverage. So, very interesting one here. Lots of information in this particular article. I might have to do a follow-up on this one because there's quite a bit behind this one. I'm going to have to start watching this one. Tons of information in this article. Again, this is on MSN.com. I got to move on here. So here's how to trade Aquestive Therapeutics aggressively right now. Went up 10% from the latest closing price compared to the recent one-year high of $8.06. The company's stock price has collected 17.53% of gains in the last 5 trading sessions, reported on 11/2 of 2021. Reports 2021 financial results, provide business update, and improves full-year guidance. Is it worth investing in? We'll go over ratings here more at the end. The average price from analysts is $15.40, which is 9.5 above the current price. So, definitely one to watch. Stock has went up 17.53 for the week, the monthly jump of 44.25 for the quarterly performance of 65.27%. So definitely, thank you for leaving that comment. I'm definitely going to be watching this one. Continues to thrive in 2021 as its stock is up 10.28% year to date, and this is dated on the 4th. So just going to kind of skim through this since this is a little bit older information. There's another interesting one here. Analysts, Aquestive Therapeutics to reach $28 in 12 months. That's crazy. I'll take it. At least 100 shares. Saw 0.6 million shares changing hands, with its beta currently measuring 3.51. I did a video on Moderna a while back. If you'd have bought Moderna, I think around pandemic time, I think you could have got it for $20. I don't know what Moderna is right now, but this particular stock, AQST, kind of reminds me of Moderna over a year ago. And look at Moderna now. Well, I haven't looked at it lately, but it was up quite a bit. Showed a performance of 63.80% in the past 30 days. Wow. Wish I would have started watching this one earlier. Aquestive Therapeutics, road to $15, price action, potential next big runner. I'd have to look into doing an option on this one as well. AQST, $6.02. 32-week low, $3.10, 52-week high of $8.06. Close to 9,000 watchers. Let's get there, people. So the more watching this one, that could run it up as well. Took a picture on my way back home. I feel good. That's kind of cool. Bottom target. Bull hammer. Not much other information in there. This is crazy. Just strong buy, $6.02 for analysts. Strong buy, 190% upside to $17.50. High of 28, low of 13. Crap, I'd take the low. That's over 50%. Wow. Well, again, I thank you, Mr. Stock Trader, for leaving this on my Green Lane video. So, if you want to leave Stock Trader or Stock Raider, I'm sorry, like the Raiders, the football team, Stock Raider, want to leave him a comment and say thank you for leaving this one, because I think I'm going to buy some shares on this one. This is very tempting with those ratings, $6, and if you could get up to $7.50 or even the 13, I'd be happy with. $6. This one's been up and down, so I'd definitely watch, set your alerts, whatever you got to do on this one. But we could take a look at an option here. November 19th, that might be a little bit. $7.50. December 17th. So if you did one for $7.50 December 17th, that would cost you $28. Expected profit and loss 30. Well, this is kind of cool. That's something new. Max loss $30. Break even $7.80. So you'd have to get to $7.80 for it to break even. Well, I have to consider that, but thank you for leaving that comment. If anybody out there has this one or has any other information about this, go ahead and leave that in the comments as well. But if you have this one, list that in the comments as well also. And, I mean, back in December it was at $7.79. It's just kind of came down since then. Definitely one to watch. Wow, if you could have got that over a month ago, it's just had a nice run up here, so gonna watch this one. But if you haven't smashed that like button yet, go ahead and hit that for me, as well as subscribing and hit the like button for Stock Raider and leaving the comment. And I thank you again. And if you haven't subscribed, go ahead and subscribe and hit the bell so you're notified of when the next videos drop. Again, this is J Money, Falling Forward Financial. Happy trading, happy investing, stay green. Cheers.